Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this episode of Art with Miss Myra. Thank you all for joining me. If you're joining me here on Facebook, like always, you can join me. My name is Myra Klein on Facebook, and you can just type my name in the search bar of Facebook, and my videos should pop up every single day. My videos are public and everyone can watch them. Anyone can watch them. And then after, I also have a YouTube channel, so after I'm done with my Facebook video, if you guys want to hop over to YouTube and catch up on any episodes that you may have missed, and my YouTube channel is called Art with Miss Myra. And if you go over there to watch, I would love it if you guys would hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon, and then you can be notified of all of the Art with Miss Myra videos. But we're going to get started for today. Today is Wednesday, April 15th, and today is a very special day. Today is actually the World Day of Art. So that was a day that was created to promote the awareness of creative activity worldwide. And so I encourage all of you guys to do an art project today to celebrate the World Day of Art. And every day is the World Day of Art at my house. So because, you know, I'm always doing art and always creating something and stuff. And that's part of why I like to share things with you guys. So, okay, but for today's project, we are going to do a no-sew drawstring bag with a Tic Tac Toe game that is going to be stored in that little drawstring bag that we're going to make, okay? So the supplies that you need for this project are going to be that you're going to need a piece of felt, you're going to need cording or yarn for our drawstring, you're going to need beads, and that's optional. You don't have to have beads to do this. And then for the tic-tac-toe game, we need 5 small rocks. So I just went out last night and picked up some rocks out in the front yard, okay? You need 2 different colors of acrylic paint, some paint brushes, a black marker that we're going to draw our X's and our O's on with, and that is all you need. Oh, and then Mod Podge. And in previous videos, I've shown you guys how to make Mod Podge. Mod Podge is something that we use as a sealer for a lot of our projects, but if you don't have commercial Mod Podge at home, that is fine. You can make Mod Podge with 8 ounces of white school glue to 4 ounces of water, and you just put it in a container, shake it up, and there you go, you have Mod Podge, okay? But I like to seal a lot of the projects that we're doing with Mod Podge. I use a lot of this stuff, so I like to make it. It's cheaper to make it than it is buy it. But if, like I said, you can go ahead and make your own at home if you don't have any commercial stuff. But we're gonna get started with our project today, and we're gonna actually start making our tic-tac-toe pieces first because we have to paint them and they are going to have to dry. So that's what we're gonna start with first. And I'm gonna move my camera or my phone down so you guys can see my workspace, and we'll go from there. Thanks all for joining me. Okay, and you can see I've gathered my supplies. I have my 10 small rocks that I have, and then I've got 2 different colors of acrylic paint here, and my paintbrush, my black marker, and my Mod Podge. Okay, so I've got all my supplies gathered up here, and I'm gonna get started painting them. And of course I'm gonna do purple first because purple is my favorite color. Okay, and I'm just gonna quickly paint these little rocks. We don't have to be fancy about it. You know, you're just painting rocks. We're gonna do tops first, and then we'll come around and do the bottoms. So it's a little bit nicer day out today. I hope you guys are all gonna get out and enjoy some of the nice warm weather. I've had some people ask me some questions about my dog Daisy. And as always, you know, Daisy is a 10.5-month-old yellow lab, and she is she's a very active puppy. She likes all kinds of different weather, though. Yesterday we had a little bit of snow on the ground. She absolutely loves snow. She's kind of a silly girl, so. And I took her out right before I started my show today, and of course she didn't want to go back in because it's very nice out. And like always, kids, I love it when you share with me on Facebook some of the projects the finished projects that you're doing. That just really, you know, warms my heart and stuff to see that you guys are following along and doing the projects along with me. I am absolutely loving that. So keep that up. If you guys want to send me pictures and stuff, that would be great. Okay, and this dries pretty quickly, so I'm just actually, and I think this is, oh no, I'm gonna have to let this dry a little bit. So what I'm gonna do now is, and I told you guys we're gonna have to kind of do this in sections because we are painting today too. Okay, if you were at home, you would just